This is a hot mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am supposed to be working out right now when I got this box in the mail. So I wanted to come and unbox it with you. Yes, I look this good when I work out. Of course. Who doesn't? It's a pandemic. No, I don't. And I don't advise you to either. Take the makeup off. Don't wear lashes when you work out. But anyway, in this box, my good friend sent this to me. I ordered not one, but two handbags, luxury handbags, or luxury looking handbags, if you know what I mean. Oh, just trying to get this box open. Oh, look here. We open the box. Right on top, there is the first handbag. Yeah, I can tell right off the bat. Luxury looking. This, which I doubt would appear from the store. Just taking off all the different film coverings. Opens the same. Has a weird smell. Like, how do I get this off? Can y'all see this? Let's see. The heck? So finally pulling that off. It's the packaging for me. It's the dead giveaway packaging. Back zipper. I'm like, oh, I didn't even tell y'all what bag this is supposed to be. This is supposed to be Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse. Interesting. Just checking it out. It just has a weird smell. Almost, I don't even like cigarettes and chemicals. Just like a chemical smell. And surely Louis Vuitton does not make it this difficult to get the plastic off these different pieces. Just checking out the glazing. Now I did see one little string. Well, maybe it was just a little string. The whole bag's gonna fall apart now. Great. And I can't recall if, I'm gonna have to look it up. This is on the middle pocket or if it's on the back pocket. So let's look. No, it's the middle pocket. So either this fell off the back of a truck in a foreign country, or they did a darn good job replicating this thing. I mean, they did a good job. Okay. That was like, took way too long. So here is the Pochette Matisse with the adjustable strap. I have tried one of these on in the store once. It's the smell. I don't know what that weird smell is. So I'll try this bag out for a little while. This was not a cheap bag. Now on to the second bag. Now right off the bat, the reason why I can tell this was not the bag I ordered. The difference, one. Wow. Yeah, this is not the bag I ordered. Because I'm like, I can tell based upon the size of the chain. This is, I don't even know what bag this is supposed to be. Yeah, this is the YSL envelope bag. I wanted the college bag. Well, this one does not have the same smell as that Louis Vuitton. Why is my face so bright? Like, what the is this? They got the color right. They got the hardware right. It's just not the bag I wanted. Oh my gosh. Kidding me. Are you, just see? Lesson learned on my behalf. It looks good, it smells good. It's just not what I wanted. It's got the Saint Laurent stamp in the, does it have it in both? Has it in both. There's a pocket in the back. The F is this? This is a zip pocket with no pocket. What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? Yeah, girl, lesson learned. I got played. I got played. I got nothing else I need to say on this because the excitement of wanting to see it and wanting it and all those other great things. And it is not what I requested. I missed my workout. I'm on camera looking like poof poof Magoo, and I'm gonna need a minute, and then I'll be grateful. I will. I'll be thankful. All the full things I will be. Girl, no. This is the bag I asked for. Has a top handle and a detachable shoulder strap. This is the bag that I got. The difference between the two, besides the strap, is the other one has, like the Pochette Matisse, multiple compartments on the inside. This is just one big ass black hole. with a zipper pocket that's no pocket. What I'm supposed to do with that? Okay, I'm done. This is a short video. I wanted to come up here, be excited, share with you guys my almost a luxury unboxing and surprise to me. We got one bag that is unclockable, except that it smells like it's been clocked. And then we got another bag. This is not even the bag that I asked for. So I've never seen this bag in person. And the reason how I knew it was off was because the chain. Chain gave it away before I even pulled it out. Is it ugly? No, it's a gorgeous bag. I've seen people carry this in a nude and some other colors. Just wasn't what I wanted. So I'm gonna go wash my face and be thankful. And I appreciate my two friends who gave me the opportunity to try out these bags. So some people don't get that opportunity. I did. So it is what it is. For whatever reason, the universe wanted me to have a YSL envelope bag and not the college bag. And that's how you got to look at some things sometimes. It is what it is. And there's got to be silver lining, even if you don't have a pocket. There's lipstick on my teeth. That's how janky it is right now. I don't know how long the lipstick's been on my teeth. And we're just gonna roll with it. If you enjoyed watching this situation, subscribe to my channel. I'm not even gonna ask for the thumbs up. Bump that. For getting the wrong bag, you should subscribe to my channel. I deserve something. I do. And I'm gonna ask for it. Subscribe to my channel. Hell, hit the bell notification. Y'all know how I feel about that bell notification. Leave a comment below which of the two bags was your favorite. The Pochette Matisse or the YSL. At least I can show you again. That's over with. Or the YSL envelope bag. Come back to my channel. I don't even know how to exit out anymore. What is happening? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to come back to see my world.